Magandang umaga mga ka-adventure. Panoorin po natin ang laban ni Tank Davis at ni Ryan Garcia. Kumbaga fight comparison lang po ito ng dalawang fighter dahil malapit na ang kanilang laban. Ngayon po, kayo nang bahalang mamusga kung sino po talagang pinakamalakas sa kanila. Pero bago yan mga ka-adventure, bigyan nyo naman ako ng isang subscribe dyan at like. Salamat. Simulan natin mga ka-adventure.
Would work better against southpaws. You buy that, especially a young fighter says that he prefers fighting southpaws. Forward with Garcia heating up in the corner. Campbell punches against southpaws. Excuse me, Campbell knows he's to deal with some of those rounds.
You see Campbell up on his toes. Garcia much more flat-footed. Seems like he wants to.
Oh, left hand sends the kid down,
and that's what he was setting him up for. Luke was looking for that overhand left. Now we're gonna see what this kid's made of.
An absolute stunner, and look at his face.
Not moving away from those shots.
And Luke staying cool. I love this, the discipline. He knows he has the younger fighter hurt.
Going through Ryan Garcia's stunning start here to the second round. For Campbell. After that knockdown. Seems like Garcia's winning these rounds.
Short right hook again. This is a good round.
Oh, he got round with the left hook right at the bell, and Campbell was ready to go down.
That's Garcia's best punch. It's a snappy left hook.
The ropes may have kept him up.
Getting hurt.
Campbell's shown all his boxing skills. He stayed in there brilliantly after being hollow. Do you really think that Luke Campbell needs to...
Eddie Reynoso saying to Ryan Garcia, you're young.
Body shot.
And he goes down. And now Campbell is down on a knee. 2 knees. He's asking questions. He's asking, do I want to get up? Can I?
Title against Christian Mijares.
You know, taking a look and what must be going on in his mind.
Because as the game plan that he mentioned is to...
Are so convinced in that corner that after the 6
yes.
But he is doing some fantastic work here, Santa Cruz.
They have Gervonta Davis, so they are
left hooks that Santa Cruz has landed.
Santa Cruz putting... And 5 minutes allotted for him to recover, and they continue here. Left hand by Davis, under a minute left in the 6th. Davis, and coming forward with punches of his own. Stuff here in the 6th round. Gervonta
Davis thought Santa Cruz was going to fold from his